What makes the earth shake?
Okay.
The earth's surface is made up of huge pieces of hard rock which drift.
Drift on. When you say drift on?
Drift on means
Float on.
float.
Do you know float?
Yeah.
Gases can float in the
Gases can
sky,
float in the
right?
sky,
Okay.
and humans can float in the water.
Yeah. Sometimes, when there's a fine dust,
Yeah.
you have to wear a mask. Why?
Because
Some very tiny miracle can get into your nose that it might harm your lung, okay? You have to be careful. Wear a mask for sure when there's a fine dust. 미세먼지.
Yeah.
Fine dust.
We find dust.
Okay. Keep going.
Sometimes these pieces push and shove against each other.
Push and shove against each other. Push, okay? And shove. Same meaning, okay?
Making the earth shake.
Ah.
Yeah, this is what happens during an earthquake.
Do you think that Korea is a very safe country? Why?
Not
There's
really.
a few earthquakes. But what about Japan?
Japan, I
Wow. There's a lot of earthquake happening,
Yeah. My mom just sent my young clothes to Japan.
Really?
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
when I was kind of young.
Okay. Then what about below this one?
In the worst earthquake, the ground cracks open, streets sink, and buildings crumble to pieces. Piles of rubble.
Did you hear this huge earthquake happened in Miami?
No?
The 30-story buildings collapsed, okay? It left many people dead and missing. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, this one? The greatest?
danger in an earthquake is a building collapsing on top of you.
Uh-huh.
Filtering under a table or a doorway may save your life.
Sheltering under table, what does that mean?
Means to
You got to get into
get in or hide
under the table because a lot of piece of kind of cement will fall on your head and you might die. Okay. Okay. Then number 1.
What causes the earth to shake?
Okay.
The earth shakes when large pieces of rocks on its surface push and
shove against each other. Earthquake happens
Earthquake happens
when
when
massive
the
rock
massive
plate
on
on the Earth's surface move and collide.
collide.
Okay. What causes an earth to shake?
Just two places of earth just collapse, just cross each other, push and shove each other,
Mm-hmm.
they can collapse.
Okay. What are the large places of Earth's surface? Can you read it? Number 2?
Number 2 is what are the large pieces of Earth's surface made of?
They're made of hot rock that float on top of a hot melted rock underneath. Say, they're made of
They're made of
hard rock.
hard rock that floats on top of hot melted rock underneath.
Okay. What are the large pieces of Earth's surface made of?
They're made of hot
They're made of hard rock
rock
that float on top of hot melted rock underneath. What an earthquake? Earthquake is when the ground shakes because pressure between the Earth's moving rock plate. Okay, there's a pressure between Earth's moving rock plate. Earthquake is a result of forceful movement between the Earth's surface plate, causing vibration. 진동. Okay, vibration. Okay. What is earthquake?
Earthquake is the plate that's pressed together, so they're getting collapsed and and people can die in there.
The pressure between the Earth's moving rock plate. Earthquake is the result of a forceful movement between Earth's surface plate, causing vibration. One more time. What is an earthquake? Is a result of forceful movement between Earth's surface plate, causing what?
Causing eruption.
진동. Eruption 아니고. Vibration. One more time. What is an earthquake?
Two plates meet together and press together and can vibrate.
Okay, good job. What can happen during a very strong earthquake? Number 4. Ground can split open.
Ground can split open.
Split open.
Split open.
땅이 막 갈라지는 거야.
Yeah.
Ground can split open. Roads can sink. 가라앉아.
And
Buildings may collapse into rubble. What is rubble?
Rubble means
Piece of crumble.
crumble.
이런 그 kind of debris, 잔해 같은 거. Wow, this is very scary, you know. Okay, what can happen during a very strong earthquake? Ground can split open. Road can sink. Buildings can collapse into rubble. What is the most dangerous part of an earthquake? Yeah.
The greatest danger is being trapped on or crushed by a falling building.
Yeah, the biggest risk of during an earthquake is having a structure collapse on you, okay? So, what is the most dangerous part of an earthquake?
The
Danger is being trapped, 갇히거나 crushed by falling building. How can you protect yourself during an earthquake? You can stay safe by sheltering under a table, in a doorway.
Hiding beneath sturdy furniture.
Study means very 견고한 거,
Yeah.
very strong, okay?
In a doorway may protect you
From earthquake, during the earthquake. How can you protect yourself during an earthquake?
Can decide in the furniture or protect yourself.
Yeah, you can stay safe by sheltering under a table or in a doorway, okay? Okay, number 1, what caused the earth to shake? Earth shake when a large piece of rock on its surface push and shove against each other. What are the large pieces of Earth's surface made of? They're made of hard rock that float on top of hot melted rock underneath. What is an earthquake?
Earthquake is pieces
When the ground shake because of pressure
the pressure
between the Earth's moving rock plate. Earthquake is a result of forceful movement between Earth's surface plate, causing vibration. What can happen during a very strong earthquake?
The ground
Can split open,
and the street
road can sink,
can sink
buildings may collapse into rubble.
into rubble.
What is the most dangerous part of an earthquake? Greatest danger is being trapped or crushed by
a building.
falling building. How can you protect yourself during an earthquake? You can stay safe by sheltering under the table or in a doorway. One more time. How can you protect yourself during an earthquake? You can stay safe
Under the table
by
or by the doorway.
sheltering on the table and or in a doorway. Okay. Tell me the story.
Can people tell if the earthquake is coming? I mean, the Earth's surface is made of hot kind of rocks called cover, and earthquake can happen when the rocks cross each other. So the earthquake can happen. And also, the greatest danger is an earthquake just about that you're trapped or you collapsing on top of you. The earthquake is a building collapsing on top